Do you want to give your Claude AI interface a darker, more comfortable look? In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Claude AI with just a few simple steps. Open your web browser. Go to Claude AI website. Sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile name or account icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open Claude's Settings panel, where you can manage different options and customize your experience. Now look for the Preference or Appearance settings. You should see different options for how Claude's interface looks. Select Dark, and Claude will immediately change from the light interface to a dark theme. If you don't want to manually switch between light and dark mode, you may also have the option to let Claude follow your computer's system appearance. Simply set your Windows or Mac to dark mode, and choose the System or Automatic Theme option in Claude if it is available. Dark mode is a simple customization, but it can make the Claude interface feel more comfortable, particularly in low-light environments. You can also return to the same theme settings anytime if you want to switch back to light mode or choose another available appearance option. And that's how you can easily enable dark mode in Claude AI and customize the interface to suit your preferences. Thank you for watching.